All right, hey, what's up, y'all? So this is Paul C. Tiarina, nutritional therapist, lifestyle and performance coach with the SHT. I want to welcome you to our amazing community, SuperHumans United. Now, you probably came here for something, and chances are it has something to do with body composition or performance as an athlete or health in general. Maybe you're dealing with a specific condition or have specific symptoms, or you just want to optimize your longevity. Regardless, the solution is always the same. It's finding health, because when you find health, you find yourself and everything about your life gets better. And this is something that we can talk about, but you have to experience it to fully understand it. Just imagine what your life would be like if you had more consistent energy levels, and if you had really strong, consistent digestion, if you performed really well in the gym or in your workouts, consistently you felt really good when you were doing that. If you had an optimal body composition, meaning you were very happy and comfortable and confident in your body and your clothes and the way that you presented yourself and the way that you felt you were perceived by other people. And imagine being happy and emotionally stable most of the time. This is what happens when you find health. It is like an awakening. Everything about your life is going to get better, and it's going to change in ways that you never experienced. All right, so to get there, we know that you need three things. You need education with the right information. You need some kind of experience putting that education into practice. And then you also tremendously benefit from the support of other people, which is what we're doing here. So I want to encourage you. No, I want to mandate. I want to mandate, but I'm going to highly encourage you to go through our entire welcome course series in each one of the short videos, because it's going to help you have an amazing experience here in SuperHumans United. All right, so in this welcome series, we have our big purpose, which is the reason that we're all here together. We have how to get the most out of SuperHumans United. It's like a best practices guide to make sure you have a great experience here. We have technical formalities, which is basically how to use this system and get the most out of it. And then also, if you're brand new to the SHT, we have where to start, how to get started. All right, so look forward to seeing you in the next video.